The tax trap every developer must understand. SCA ruling exposed. Here's the shocking reality. Imagine selling 25 homes off plan, collecting small deposits, and waiting for transfer. Then SARS slaps you with a 1.9 million rand tax bill. And all of this before you've received a cent, Mr. Developer. This isn't theory. It's real. It happened. And it could happen to you. The real case. What actually happened? Well, a Cape Town developer entered into 25 OTPs with buyers. Each buyer paid a 5,000 Rand deposit. The balance was either guaranteed or held in trust. Transfer only happened the next tax year. The developer included income in the next tax year. SARS disagreed. Yes, SARS disagreed. The Supreme Court of Appeal ruled this way. Income accrued in the year of sale, not payment. Result, 1.9 million in tax assessed on 6.8 million in signed but unpaid sales. So, the legal principle, why SARS won? Here it is, Section 24 of the Income Tax Act. Income is taxable when it accrues, not when it's received. A sale is deemed to accrue when the agreement is binding and payment is secured, whether via guarantees or in a trust account, etc. It doesn't matter if the transfer hasn't happened. What this means for you, Mr. Developer or Mr. Investor, is you can be taxed before you receive payment. Now, this creates massive cash flow pressure, especially in pre-sales, where construction hasn't even begun yet. SARS sees your secure deal as income. Most developers don't budget for this. It's a big risk. You want 3 smart strategies to avoid this tax trap. Number 1, land first, build later contracts. Also, sell serviced plots first. Enter separate building agreements. Tax is only triggered by what's sold. This also spreads your income and tax over a period of time. Second suggestion for you, delay binding OTP execution. In other words, use suspensive conditions, delay guarantees or deposit transfers, and also avoid secured income in the current tax year. Third suggestion for you, use light reservation clauses in the OTP. Meaning what, Trevor? Well, non-binding expression of interest. No taxes triggered. Keeps pipeline warm without exposing you. So what's the final word? Well, here it is. Tax planning is non-negotiable in property development. If you're not structuring your deal smartly, you are bleeding profits. Subscribe for weekly real estate insights. And if you're building, investing, Reach out for a confidential consultation. Let's build smarter and stay one step ahead of SARS. Always remember, I am not a legal or tax professional, and I will always advise you to check critical information with the right people before you act. See you in the next video, my friend. Take care.